Hey guys, Mike from Outdoor Element. Today I want to show off Handled and what it does. It's dual functional. It's an external pot gripper, and so if you are working with a camp stove and you don't want to burn your hands, great utensil to have. Nice meaty silicone grip. It prevents heat transfer, and so don't burn yourself. Secondly, it helps mitigate these canisters. We're not supposed to throw them away or recycle unless they've been pierced, and make sure all the fuel is exhausted. And I'll show you how this works. So it has a cotter pin that pulls out, and this reveals kind of the prep tool for recycling. There's a nice vent nut, and it will screw onto the top of these 4 and 8 ounce canisters like so. If there's any remaining fuel, it'll vent to this little hole, and then it has a nice puncture point. You can just drop in a couple holes, and you know it's no longer pressurized, so we can toss it at this point. This is aluminum. Aluminum is infinitely recyclable. Please recycle. Same principle applies for the larger 1 pound canisters. These are steel. I made an adapter for it. We'd screw this on like so, righty-tighty. And the trick for this one, you want to screw it in all the way. And then you want to put this on the top. And if there's any remaining fuel here, it's going to vent to this hole up top. And that same principle applies here. We're just going to take this nice little lever arm and drop in a couple holes like so. Now it's ready for recycle. These are made from steel. Steel is the most recycled material in America. Please recycle where possible. Thank you.